With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, a smooth ball A moving with velocity v collides with another smooth identical ball at rest. After collision, both the balls move with same speed with angle between their velocities 60 degree. No external force act on the system of balls. As you can see in the figure, this is ball A which is having velocity v and ball B is at rest initially. After collision, their velocities are same. That means we assume that their velocities after collision is v dash. So they are same v dash, and they are making 60-degree angle between them. And this is a symmetrical situation because both are having same mass and same velocity. That means this angle is 30 degree and this angle is also 30 degrees. So the component of the velocity of ball B is v dash cos 30. Similarly, the component of velocity v dash of ball A is also in the same point, that is v dash cos 30. Okay, now we have to find out the speed of each ball after the collision is. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the conservation of momentum, and according to conservation of momentum, the momentum is conserved. That means the initial momentum is equal to the final momentum. Conservation of momentum. So I am going to write initial momentum, that is equal to the final momentum. Now initial momentum is basically mass into velocity. At initially the ball A is having the velocity v, but ball B is at rest. That means the velocity of ball B is 0. So the initial momentum is m into v of ball A, and for ball B momentum is 0. That is equals to final momentum. Final momentum is m v dash cos 30, and for ball B it is same, that is mv dash cos 30. That means mv equals to 2mv dash cos 30, and value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So putting the value, we will have m cancel out, v equals to 2v dash into root 3 by 2. So from here the value of v dash is coming out to be v upon root 3 because 2 cancel out. So this is the velocities of ball A and B after collision. Okay, v dash equals to b by root 3. So just check the options. The third option, which is v upon root 3, is the correct option. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.